4.5 billion years ago, Earth is a blazing newborn world, an ocean of molten rock struggling to cool. A colossal impact reshapes the young Earth, hurling molten fragments into orbit, fragments that will become our moon. Meteor after meteor slams into the surface, bringing the water and ingredients that will one day make life possible.
Slowly, the planet forms its first fragile skin, a crust that floats above a restless sea of fire.
Volcanoes rewrite the atmosphere, filling it with carbon dioxide, ammonia, and water vapor, the ingredients of a future sky.
Inside the planet, metals separate and sink, creating a molten core that will one day forge a magnetic shield.
For millions of years, the skies open endlessly. Rainfall so intense it carves the foundation of Earth's first oceans.
As the planet cools, continents rise from the deep, surrounded by oceans still boiling with heat.
2 billion years later, Earth wears an orange veil, its methane-rich air unlike anything we know today. The moon hangs close, its gravity pulling the oceans into colossal tides that reshape the coasts every hour. In quiet shallows, the first living communities take hold, simple microbes preparing to change the world.
Tiny cyanobacteria rise to dominance, filling the air with oxygen and rewriting Earth's atmosphere forever.
Layer by layer, microbes sculpt stone monuments, living fossils that still stand on Earth today. The great oxidation sweeps across the planet, turning poisonous skies into breathable air.
As Earth cools again, life retreats into the abyss, surviving by the heat of the planet itself.
The world becomes a frozen sphere, an ice-covered planet drifting through the dark.
The ice reflects the sun away, deepening the cold and locking Earth into a frozen equilibrium. Entire continents vanish beneath the ice, a world unrecognizable yet still alive beneath the surface.
Below the ice, volcanoes awaken, carving warm sanctuaries where life clings to existence. After millions of frozen years, Earth begins to thaw, awakening a world ready for change.
As the ice retreats, oceans spread wide and new land emerges, a blank canvas awaiting life's next chapter.
In the seas, evolution explodes. Fish of every form rise, shaping the first complex ecosystems.
Across the ocean floor, trilobites and brachiopods thrive, masters of a world untouched by land creatures.
Here rule giants, armored hunters whose bite reshapes the balance of ancient seas.
Life conquers land step by step. Plants anchor the soil, paving the way for future forests. Forests rise, vast green worlds that reshape climate and feed the atmospheric shift toward life as we know it.
Brave pioneers crawl from the sea, testing limbs that will one day give rise to every land vertebrate.
Earth becomes a patchwork of habitats, each one a cradle for evolutionary innovation.
Over millions of years, continents collide, assembling the greatest landmass Earth will ever see, Pangaea.
In the heart of Pangaea, dryness dominates, a vast desert where few forms of life can endure.
Earth enters the Permian, a world of sharp contrasts, caught between ice and rising heat.
Dimetrodon rises, a predator not of reptiles but of the lineage that will one day lead to mammals.
Colliding continents thrust mountains skyward, ranges so tall they reshape climate itself.
The Earth convulses. Volcanoes spew poison into the air, triggering the greatest extinction ever known. As oceans turn acidic, entire ecosystems fall. Life as Earth knows it begins to unravel. Yet even in ruin, a few hold on. Tiny sparks that will ignite the next age of life.
From the ashes of extinction rises a new caste. Archosaurs, the ancestors of crocodiles.
With few competitors left, Reptiles diversify rapidly, experimenting with shapes that will dominate the Mesozoic. Vegetation evolves too. Forests adapt to scorching climates, sheltering life as it diversifies once more.
Ecosystems stabilize, predators sharpen, prey multiply, and soon a new dynasty will rise.
The Jurassic dawns hot and humid. Sea levels climb, creating warm, shallow worlds teeming with potential.
The supercontinent fractures. Earth tears open, birthing new oceans and rewriting global geography.
2 new continents emerge, Laurasia to the north, Gondwana to the south, each forging its own destiny. Sauropods claim the forests, giants whose size rewrites what life on Earth can be. Where giants graze, hunters follow. Allosaurus rules the shadows, swift and relentless.
Above the forests, pterosaurs command the air, masters of the first great age of flight. A creature half dinosaur, half bird. Archaeopteryx hints at the sky's future rulers.
Tiny mammals thrive in the shadows, smart, warm-blooded survivors destined for greatness.
Plants dominate the land. Lush forests weaving the oxygen-rich world dinosaurs call home.
Volcanoes sculpt the land, building mountains, carving plains, shaping the stage for ancient life.
The Cretaceous blossoms, warm, wet, and overflowing with life at every scale.
From the smallest runners to the Talus titans, dinosaurs dominate every corner of the land.
In the oceans, reptilian leviathans hunt with terrifying precision.
Life intertwines in complex webs, each species playing its part in a world at its peak.
Beneath ancient trees, life thrives, diverse, dynamic, and unaware of the catastrophe approaching. Across the cosmos, curious travelers witness Earth at its prime, a world alive beyond imagination.
They survey the surface, capturing every detail, unaware of how close Earth stands to disaster.
A new light streaks across the heavens, its path set on collision with destiny.
In seconds, the sky ignites. This is the moment that will erase an age.
The asteroid strikes with the force of billions of bombs, an impact felt across the entire world. The ocean itself is thrown into the sky, vaporized in an instant, rising in a column hundreds of kilometers tall.
Waves as tall as mountains race outward, obliterating everything in their path.
Fragments of Earth itself are hurled around the planet, cooling into glass before raining back down.
A global firestorm begins, ignited not by lightning, but by a storm of returning molten glass.
A dark veil spreads across the sky. Sunlight dims as smoke and ash rise into the stratosphere. Without sunlight, the planet cools of months, an impact winter settling over a dying world. With no sun, plants die, and with them, the foundation of every ecosystem falls.
Only the adaptable endure. Small birds with beaks strong enough to crack seeds cling to life.
Creatures of patience and efficiency. Crocodilians survive by waiting out the darkness. Protected by shell and instinct, turtles outlast the cold by hiding from the world above. Small, warm-blooded, and clever, mammals weather the winter in underground refuges. After years of darkness, the skies begin to open, letting the first rays of light return to Earth.
Where fire once raged, new life emerges, tiny shoots preparing to rebuild the world.
Insects reclaim their place, awakening ecosystems and nourishing the earliest recovering species. Birds adapt swiftly, shaping new forms and filling the void left by vanished dinosaurs. With giants gone, mammals rise, diversifying into roles once impossible under dinosaur rule.
Forests reclaim Earth, cooling the climate, restoring balance, and shaping a future for new life.
Stability returns at last. The Paleogene dawns, a new era built from the ashes of extinction.
Life reorganizes, each species finding its place, weaving new webs that will shape the next chapter of Earth's saga. In stone, the memory remains. Iridium lines and ash layers preserving the moment an age ended.
With the world reset, evolution accelerates. Life surges into every open niche.
Returning travelers find a world transformed, reborn from fire and ice into a new age of growth.
Their instruments read renewal, forests reclaiming land, and life knitting the planet back together.
Beneath the surface, the planet still moves, sculpting continents that will become our world.
Rivers carve through ash and soot. Life uses destruction as the foundation for renewal.
Tiny creatures build the first pillars of stability, each link essential in a recovering world.
In warm latitudes, rainforests erupt, bursting with species eager to claim the light.
In the branches, new forms arise, creatures adapting curious minds and agile limbs.
Earth's climate breathes in cycles, each shift rewriting the rules of survival.
Continents drift toward the world we know, each movement shaping unique biomes.
Stone becomes scripture, recording survival, evolution, and the rise of new worlds.
Freed from ancient giants, mammals evolve into roles once unimaginable.
Among them, minds awaken, brains expanding, behaviors deepening, seeds of future intelligence. Landscapes are never still. Earth reshapes itself ceaselessly, sculpting the stage for life's unfolding story.
All right, so check this out. The best way to approach this is by focusing on the core elements. It's not about the quantity, it's about the quality of the engagement.
Across continents, life flourishes, fuller, richer, more intertwined than ever before. From tine scurriers to towering grazer, mammals now hold the world at their stride.
Their journey nears its end, but Earth's story continues, ever changing, ever evolving.
Through catastrophe and creation, Earth endures, its saga written across billions of years.
After billions of years of upheaval, the planet settles into the form we recognize today.
Each era marks a chapter, moments of eruption, collapse, and rebirth, shaping the world's long saga.
Skies once orange, then white, then green. Each color a testament to the forces rewriting the air we breathe. The moon, once a colossal guardian overhead, slowly retreats, changing Earth's tide. Across ages, life reinvented itself, simple, strange, colossal, and clever. Invisible forces shield the planet, deflecting cosmic storms and preserving life below.
From the tiniest cell to the mightiest forest, complexity rises step by step.
Life branches endlessly, each split a gamble, each survival a triumph, written into evolution's tree. Earth evolves in cycles, fire and frost, drought and bloom, each reshaping the story of life.
Again and again, life endures, reborn stronger after every fall.
Our travelers watch in silence, witnesses to epochs they could never live, only record. As they depart, Earth continues, ever turning, ever evolving.
A solitary world of oceans, mountains, storms, and life. One jewel in a vast and silent universe.
Every forest, desert, reef, and plain tells its own story, threads woven into Earth's grand design.
In stone lies memory, the imprint of creatures who shaped the path to today.
After storms older than time, peace returns, reminding us that even worlds heal.
Life continues its endless dance, rising, branching, adapting with every passing age.
From afar, it is a fragile dot, but within it lies a saga of unimaginable depth.
A world forged by fire, shaped by ice, rebuilt by life.
This is Earth, ever changing, ever enduring.